As a road shire, I ensure villagers get right to work and wages under Manrega. My role is to connect families to jobs and keep records open and fair. Good evening to all of you. As a ward member, I am the environment committee head. As the environment head, I protect land, water, and the air for today and the future generations. I monitor waste, water conservation, and the tree plantation. I plan eco-friendly initiatives with the panchayat. I raise awareness about the forest, ponds, and the farmland. I involve youth, SHGs, and the school skill drives. And today I would like to raise one issue to our honorable Sarpan sir about deforestation in our area. And it is cut down in the name of development. So sir, how we can overcome this problem, sir? How can we save our plants, sir?
So, for every school, we will visit as a team members. We want to make awareness so how this afforestation. So it will help to us, especially in the rural area. So many issues occurred. I came to know with the different members. So unnecessarily, deforestation and cutting the important useful plants, it is totally wrong. So this issue we will brought to the notice to the forest department, and we will take action, necessary action with the help of our members of our panchayat. Please. Total attendance. Even thumb also, I came to know some of the area they are moving after putting thumb. And other education department, even DO also I will meet. We will take severe action against those teachers. Thank you, Ayanaji.
ఒకటి సర్పంచ్ చెప్పాలండి